Everyone, in this video we solve this interesting exponential equation. I solved this question through method. So our question is 6 to the power 12, 12 power 6 is equal to what? So it is easy math. So let's start. Our question is 6 to the power 12. So I can say easily 6 to the power 12, it will be 6 plus 6 over 12 power 6. Look, 6 to the power 6 plus 6, it will be 12. Yes. So at this moment I can say that here is 12 power 6, but in this case according to exponential rules a to the power n plus m, according to these rules I can say that it will be 6 to the power 6 times 6 to the power 6. Yes. Now at this moment I can say that here is 6 to the power 6, here is 12 power 6, but you know that the exponential rules here is exponent is same, so it will be 6 over this 12 and whole to the power 6. Yes, because of that here is exponent is same, but here is 6 to the power 6. Yes. Now at this moment I can say that this 12 divide 6, it will be 1 over 2 and whole to the power 6 times 6 to the power 6. Now look, here is exponent is again same, so according to exponential rules I can say that it will be 1 over 2 times this 6 and whole to the power 6. Because of that here is exponent is same, so in this case 6 divide 2, it will be 3. Yes, so I can say that it will be 3 to the power 6. So 3 to the power 6, it will be 7 to 9. This is our final answer. Now at this moment I solve this question others method. Look, here is 6 to the power 12, so 6 to the power 12 divide, here is 12 power 6, so I can say that 12, it will be 2 times 6 and whole to the power 6. Look, 2 times 6, it will be 12. Yes. Now at this moment I can say 6 to the power 12 and it will be 2 to the power 6 times 6 to the power 6. Yes. Because of that, look, here is exponent is 6, so it will be 2 to the power 6, 6 to the power 6. Now at this moment I can say that look, here is 6, this is 6, so I can say that it will be 6 to the power 12 minus 6 times 1 over 2 to the power 6. Because of that here is exponent is 12, this is exponent is 6, here is base is same, so according to exponential rules I can say exponent is 12 minus 6. Yes. Now at this moment I can say that 6 to the power 6 times 1 over 2 to the power 6. Again I can say that this time this, it will be 6 to the power 6 and here is 2 to the power 6. Then it will be, here is exponent is same, it will be 6 over 2 whole to the power 6, and I can say that it will be 3 to the power 6. Because of that 6 divide 2, it will be 3, so it will be 7 to 9. This is our final answer. Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye, take care.